Welcome to Vikas Handlooms Pochampally. We are manufacturers of ikat sarees, lehengas, dupattas and fabric. Vikas Handlooms has been certified by Indian Silk Mark. We have own handlooms in Pochampally. We also export to abroad. Today topic is tissue border sarees. Price range is 8,500. So now you can see my total products. This is pallu. This is blouse. Blouse is in pink color, and in the blouse you can see two types of borders with tissue border, and this is complete saree. It's royal blue with three multicolors. One is in yellow and one is in pink. In this border pink you can see deer's pattern, and this yellow you can see zigzag with tissue borders, and middle of the saree there are two colors, one is with yellow and one is with white. This is tree design. There are so many colors in this pattern. You can see the complete saree. This saree price is 8,500. Now one more saree in the same design. This is pallu. It's orange combination. This is pallu with deer's pattern, and this is blouse. In blouse you can see two types of tissue border. It's orange combination, and this is complete saree. It's royal blue with orange combination and with green combination. In this border you can see deer's pattern with tissue, and in upper of the tissue you can see the green border with orange combination in zigzag lines, and middle of the saree you can see green and white combination with tears design. This is the complete saree. It's a rare combination, and this saree cost is 8,500. It's from Vikas Handlooms. It's our own product, our own manufacturer. We are having around 200 looms, some different kind of sarees, and this is one more color in the same design. It's rare combination. This is pallu with deer's combination. This is blouse, pink combination. In this blouse you can see two types of tissue border, and this is body color is bottle green with yellow and pink combination. In this border you can see deers and with tissue border, and upper of the tissue you can see zigzag lines with yellow combination, and middle of the saree is bottle green with yellow and white combination. This saree's cost is also 8,500. This is complete saree. This saree cost is also 8,500. And this is one more saree in the same design. This is royal blue color combination with deer's pattern. This is also royal blue with blouse, and in blouse you can see two types of tissue border, and this is mustard combination with blue and green combination. And we are having a website of Vikas Handlooms. Our website is www.vikashandlooms.com, and our contact number is 9959195299. Our shop name is Vikas Handlooms, and shop number is 24 and 25. Our location is Pochampally, AKLB complex, and this is mustard combination with blue, and in border you can see deers with tissue, and upper of the tissue you can see zigzag lines with green combination, and the body color is mustard with green and white tree combination. And this is one more saree in the same design. This is blue with deer's pattern. In this pallu also you can see two types of tissue border, and this is blouse with royal blue combination. In this blouse also you can see two types of tissue, and this is saree red color. It's mirchi red color with blue combination and green. In this border, you can see deer's pattern with tissue border. And upper of the tissue you can see zigzag lines with green combination, and upper of this tissue you can see with tissue border. And this is a complete saree view. It's green and white combination. It's mirchi red combination. You can see complete saree. This saree cost is also 8,500. And we also provide all over India and abroad. This is pallu with blue combination, and this is blouse. In blouse also you can see two types of tissue border, and this is a complete saree with rare combination with copper sulphate with green and blue combination. In this border you can see deers, and upper of the deers you can see tissue. Upper of the tissue you can see zigzag with green combination. Upper of this combination you can see tissue, and middle of the saree you can see in green and white combination tree design. And this saree cost is 8,500. We provide all over India. And this is one more saree. It's green and black combination. Body pallu. In pallu you can see deer's pattern with tissue or two types of tissue. And this is blouse with green combination with two types of tissue. And this is the complete saree with black and yellow and green combination. It's a rare combination. In this border you can see deers. Upper of the deers you can see tissue. Upper of the tissue you can see zigzag light with yellow combination. And this is a body complete saree with yellow and white combination. In this middle you can see types of trees, and this is the complete saree. This saree cost is also 8,500. And this is also red combination, copper sulphate blue with deer's pattern. In this pallu also you can see two types of tissue, and this is pallu. And this is blouse with copper sulphate combination. And its blouse also you can see two types of tissue, and this is a rose pink with green combination and copper sulphate combination. In this border you can see deer's pattern. Upper of the deers you can see tissue. Upper of the tissue you can see green with copper sulphate lines, and middle of the saree is rose pink color with green and white combination. This saree cost is also 8,500. And this is also rare combination. This is pallu. Pallu is in orange color, light orange color with deer's pattern. In this pallu also you can see two types of tissue. And this is blouse. It's a light orange color with two types of tissue border. It's plain blouse. And this is the complete saree with copper sulphate blue with light orange and green shade. This is a deer's pattern in border, two types of tissue with green lines, and this is a copper sulphate in middle of the saree color with white and green tweezers border. This saree cost is also 8,500. This is from Vikas Handlooms product. We are having around 200 to 300 looms, different kind of sarees, lehengas and dupattas. Lehenga starts from medium size, zero size and free size.